Hi guys, coming to you with another DIY. This is my succulent plant. This is my mom's for Mother's Day. She hasn't seen it yet. And when I was putting it together, I just thought of Game of Thrones, Winterfell. Doesn't it look like it, guys? I don't know. I think I did an awesome job. What do you guys think? Let me know. I also inserted other pictures of succulent bowls that I did. So comment down below. Let me know if you like it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.